Hello, welcome back to my workshop. Just like to wish all my subscribers and viewers a very happy Christmas, and let's hope it's a better new year. Not going to be a video this Sunday, but what I'm working on at the moment is fixing this mill motor. And when I fixed that, it's a bit lazy on starting. Had a few issues. There's a few bits and bobs. Some washers I did make, which have sort of helped out, but won't be necessary. So there'll be a bit on that, and then there will be a bit on wiring up my Atlas lathe Brooks motor to a reversing switch. But anyway, have a Merry Christmas. If there's someone you haven't spoken to for a long time who you should, give them a call. Thank you very much. Please like, share and subscribe.